Okay, here we are. It's July 22nd. It's a little bit after noon. A little overcast, plenty of blue skies. And we're at the grill. And Richie. Hey, Rich.
Yes, sir.
What are we making today, Rich? Richie's famous New York hamburgers.
Right. You got it.
I want to ask you one more question.
Yeah.
How much does one of these hamburgers weigh?
About a half.
Should we take a look at them? Okay, and here's Richie's, New York Richie's famous hamburgers. They're about a half a pound each. And wow, they are heavy. Now, they're going to go in the grill. Now, Richie says they should be made in a cast iron grill. So here's the grill. And we're up to 200 degrees. If I open the lid, there it is. The cast iron frying pan. All right, New York Richie, how long is it going to take for these hamburgers to cook?
Well, his burger is going to take about 20 minutes.
Bob's?
So, yeah, him and his wife, about 20 minutes.
How come?
Because, well done.
Well done. Okay.
The rest of them takes about 25 minutes for his, maybe 15 minutes for us.
Okay.
All right.
And you got the cheese, right?
Got the cheese.
And what kind of cheese do we have?
We got provolone.
Right?
Swiss.
Right?
American.
American. What happened to the cheddar? Sharp cheddar. Nobody wanted that?
No, I didn't get it.
Okay. And we don't use, and you got onions.
Right.
Where are the onions?
Onions are right over here.
Okay.
And bacon. Onions are in here, bacon's right there.
That's not that onion relish, is it?
No. Just fried onions.
Let's take a look at this.
Regular fried onions.
Okay. Okay, fried onions. Looks good. And what's wrapped up in this tin foil?
Bacon.
Oh, the bacon. That's right. We're having bacon burgers with cheese.
Right.
Cool beans. And we have potatoes. We have coleslaw. And you made that.
I made that.
And you made that with water, vinegar,
and sugar.
And that's it.
That's it.
I can't wait to try it.
It's very wet.
And you
chopped it up. Very wet.
It's now that the cabbage. You didn't buy that whole. You bought a bag of cabbage, right?
Yeah, and I chopped it up.
And you bought that over
Smith.
Trader Joe. You bought it over Smith's.
Yeah.
And you chopped it up. Fine. Nice and wet, chopped up.
Right.
That's the way I like it.
Uh-huh.
Okay. And this is a macaroni salad.
Macaroni with scallions and ham.
Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this camera off, and we're going to wait for the grill to get started.
Yep.
And then we'll see where we go. Hi, guys.
Hey.
Are we anxious?
I'll be right back.
Yeah, we're waiting.
Okay. Okay.
And I won't make sure that I don't take them out.
New York Richie, I see you got a couple of hamburgers in the pot. So you cooked one side of the hamburger, right?
Right.
And then you flipped it over, and you put little patties of butter on it. That's the secret. Keeps them nice and moist.
That's one secret. That's another secret. I'm not going to tell you.
Oh my gosh! Did you do it yet?
It's already done. I'm not going to tell you what it is.
Gotcha. Okay, looking good.
But I should have done. I should have left the salads in the house.
All right, we're back with New York Richie's famous hamburgers. Rich, looking good, sounding good, and too bad we don't have smell-o-vision, man. So tell me, what kind of meat did you use for these?
Chuck, short ribs, and a brisket.
Chuck, short ribs, and brisket, and it's the first time you used your meat grinder, right?
I can't tell you anymore.
Huh?
Can't tell you anymore.
There are other things, though.
Can't tell you that.
Okay. Smelling good. New York Rich's famous hamburgers. Okay, and here comes the finishing touch, the cheese. Is that Swiss cheese? Well, I'm on the provolone. Oh, okay. How do you know which is which? Oh. Hey.
That's a stupid question. A stupid answer.
Yeah, that's getting cut out.
All right, now, you gotta get a plate.
I'm gonna open it. Hey, I don't need a roll for mine. And there we go. They're just, whoa, look at them two. Woohoo! God, that smells really good, Rich. And that's pretty much what you see the hamburgers cooking in is pretty much butter. Right, Rich?
Yep.
Wow. I'll tell you, Rachel Ray has nothing on you.
All right, Bob, you want to wrap this one?
That's... Woohoo! All right, ready to rock and roll. And here it comes. Richie applied the cheeses. Whoa, it's spitting at me. And now comes the good part. Whoa, that's Oscar Mayer bacon, right, Rich?
Yeah, something like that.
Thick Maplewood.
No, they don't have that. It's hard to get that.
Oh, okay, but that looks good to me. I should stand over here because it's blowing on me over there and spitting on me. Looking good, Rich. Good Lord. Oh, God. God, that's smelling good. All right, Rich. That's about it. I want to say thanks from all of us.
Okay. Yeah.
And there's the onions.
Yeah.
Everything's on it, ready to rock and roll. Rich, thanks a lot. It looks great.
Whoa.
Yeah, look out for the spitting. You got to wear safety glasses and a hard hat. All right. And that's it from the Equestrian on Eastern on July 22nd, 2019. And this is New York Richie's special hamburgers. Ta-ta.
All right.